We're gonna try this again. That beeping though.
It's fine.
We're gonna try this again because it wasn't recording when we were back in Costa Mesa. We're in Newport. Hi, we're at a winery. Ooh, there's barbed wire over there. We're gonna need to turn that off.
It's off.
Yay! Well, yeah.
I think that was like 2 seconds, right?
I don't think I can get bleeped for that. We're gonna call it getting bleeped when YouTube tells you that you have copyrighted music. Anyway, we were just at South Coast Plaza. Now we're at a winery. Orange Coast?
Yes, Orange Coast.
Orange Coast Winery. We're gonna check it out.
For sure, yeah.
We're gonna drink wine and eat cheese after shopping for 4 hours. So yeah, that's what we're up to.
I think we deserve this.
I think we do. Hopefully this time this clip recorded. That would be great. Bye.
Hitting all the wrong pitches.
At the island of Fern.
I don't know what kind of bird that is though.
It's a starling.
That was cool. Where?
Right there.
Bye! Taping.
Is it really?
Yes, it is.
Well, fuck.
Hi! It's Monday, and we're at the BOLSA Chica wetlands.
Our Monday's better than your Monday.
Our better is so much better than your Monday. Our better is better? Is that what I said? Over there we got Huntington Beach. And over here we got the wetlands. Is that in focus? Probably not.
Focus better.
There you go. Regain your focus. So yeah, it's Monday, which means last time we did video was Saturday. Because there wasn't anything worth videoing yesterday, was there?
Not really.
It was baseball, but that's
I videoed
that's
that.
other people's children.
Yep, I did that.
I don't put those on the internet. Nah.
Nah, bruh.
Nah, bro. So I will be flying out tonight, so this is the last you'll probably see of us.
Ever? Ah, my eye. I can't see that close.
Oh, look at him. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Sometimes love stinks.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, you get more of us. We're going to Anaheim. Yay.
Video.
Video.
Should have expected.
Yes. Hi, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. Sorry if there was some out of focus stuff. It's really hard to vlog with a DSLR. I have a Nikon D3300, so I just wanted to show a little bit of my weekend in Southern California, and now I'm back up here and gonna see Nathan again in a little more than a month. So back to the life, and we'll see what happens next. But thank you for watching, and I hope this made some sense. Basically, I was there for 4 days. I only really filmed 2 because the first day was really just a rest day, and the third day wasn't really, there were other people involved that don't need to be on the internet. I mean, they do, but like, they wouldn't know that this was going on the internet. So yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye. Okay, now I'm done talking. Oh my god, I don't think it was recording.